Hey guys, and welcome back. This is gonna be a short one, mainly because it's kind of unbearable to not have a fan on, and obviously having the fan on, kind of like, I don't know, you can hear it and it doesn't make for a good video, and I guess neither does doing nothing, but that's kind of the option I have. So I'm gonna select this one. And we can line this all up properly later, but these are pretty much in line. So I'm going to append a Z sphere. We'll do a new one this time instead of duplicating one around. Let's find you. Okay, and we're going to place it just here. This will be our first link up. I'm going to place it. We might actually just use transparency. It's a bit hard to see. Well, just while we're lining this up, I suppose. Awesome. Alright. So essentially, all we need to do now is, I don't know why you're acting so weird. Oh, that's right. It's not it. It's me. So I'm just trying to work out. So I have one there. Maybe like a bit here, and then we'll go. There. To there. So this might be the problem. It just makes it really hard to find where the join is, but that's alright. There's it there. I think this one's up here. There, and then yeah, see, I don't think this is lined up properly, but that's alright. There. That's there, yep. think that's where it is. Alright. So that's kind of what we've got going on there. So if we go A, and then we'll go A, and that's just kind of what we're gonna get, and then these will be all fused together, and we'll I guess we can duplicate this one down, so that'll be fine. But I was working hard to try and get this as best lined up this afternoon without passing out from the heat, and I think that'll do me for today's. Apologies, but yeah, look, hopefully you've had a good Tuesday, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.